What's going on, guys? Brad here with BBs for Breakfast with part 3 of our Operation Stonebreaker series. After finding fuel rods in the northwest corner of the field, we headed into the main building through the north entrance in an attempt to push green forces out and gain control of the building.
Hey Josh, we're leaving. Wait, are we? No. Maybe not.
Down the hall.
Hold on.
Where are you? Where'd Matt go?
I don't know. Matt disappeared and I'm upset.
Oh, no, he's right there.
Hey, we have 6+ in this hole. You're right.
Yeah, Raj. One of my little things for my light fell out.
Uh-oh.
Are you alive?
So
Check it out. Yo.
it's empty. Oh.
You guys are going to move down the hallway. We got 3 guns on that hole right now. You guys can move down this hallway. Run. Go, run. Go, run. Go, 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 go. Down the hall. Come in. Don't stop there. Don't stop. Down the hall. Let's go. Go. Move. Let's go. Up this way. Go. Just run in. Get a medic on it. Go. Move it! Move it! Come on, stop! Go! Don't stop! We don't die there! Don't stop! Make a hole! Get out!
Oh!
Stack and push.
One of us has to have a ride.
We joined in here too.
Yeah, we did.
Aaliyah!
Anybody got a bag?
Watch out!
That looks better than the other way.
Go! Open it! Loud noises!
Once we push through this hallway and eliminate any green forces, we make our way towards a side entrance to the building to check for enemy players and keep them from pushing in.
Oh, that's a 10. That's a big one. Here. That's crazy.
This store is always a shit show.
Open up.
We're right around this corner.
They're right around the corner.
That's green.
Just go out and fuck them.
Guys, we're moving up to the rush.
Nothing back there.
Oh, back up. It's on the back side.
Hey, Matt.
There we go.
The corner of this building is also. Yeah. They keep running left and right.
Oh, yeah. Hey, we got one guy. He's pressed around the corner. Yeah, he's pressed around the corner. If you get low enough, he's not going to shoot him, buddy. So if you get low enough, 2, 3, yeah. Come in. I'll have the range.
After many players, including myself, get hit outside, we move back into the building and try and hold off a large number of green forces pushing towards us.
Those soccer skills live again.
Got him.
You ready? You ready? You ready? Because we're greatly outnumbered by the amount of enemy players coming towards us, we decide to close the door and try to find a way around.
Got him.
That didn't work.
He's up top on top of me. He's up for it. You want to run in there? I mean, we can.
How many are in there?
Why the hell not?
How
At
many?
least two, because there's two guns firing.
That'd be a lot more fun than what we're doing now.
Yeah, we got thunder dude.
Here.
Oh, you go, close it real quick.
Tell me when you guys are ready.
Alright, everybody ready?
Which way am I throwing?
You're going to the left, to the left.
Stack up on the wall.
Choose right now. Choose right now.
There it is.
Medic! No blind fire!
It's very important in any airsoft game to never blind fire. Blind fire is a big safety concern because you are not aware of where you are shooting when you are doing it. After healing Josh and another tan player, we continue to push up the stairs directly ahead of me in order to properly engage the enemy players in front of us.
Where's your left?
Hit!
Now I'm about 99% sure I shot this player, but I decided not to say anything and gave him the benefit of the doubt because I did not exactly see the BBs bounce off of him. That's going to do it for part 3 of the series. Watch out for part 4 when we are ordered to rescue a hostage. Until next time, this is Brad with BBs4Breakfast. Stay classy, subscribers.